Is your bonsai looking a bit off lately? Don't worry. Today we'll explore 5 telltale signs that your bonsai might be in trouble, and more importantly, how to bring it back to health. Stick around. These tips could be the difference between a thriving tree and a withering one. If you're passionate about bonsai or just starting out, hit that like button, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's keep your bonsai thriving together. Sign number 1. Yellowing or browning leaves. Noticing yellow or brown leaves? This is often a sign of stress in your bonsai. It could be due to improper watering, either too much or too little. Ensure you're using well-draining soil and water when the top inch feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause dehydration. Adjust your watering routine accordingly. Sign number 2. Brittle or dead branches. Are some branches brittle or dead? This could indicate underlying health issues, such as root problems or disease. Regular pruning of dead branches helps the tree focus its energy on healthy growth. Ensure you're following proper bonsai pruning techniques to maintain its vitality. Sign number 3. Weak or rotting roots. Unhealthy roots are a major concern. If your bonsai isn't growing or seems unstable, check the roots. Rotting roots often result from poor drainage or overwatering. Use a well-draining soil mix to promote healthy root development. During repotting, trim any black or mushy roots to prevent further decay. Sign number 4. Pest infestations or diseases. Pests and diseases can wreak havoc on your bonsai. Look for signs like discolored leaves, webbing, or unusual spots. Common culprits include aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs. To prevent infestations, maintain proper care routines and inspect your tree regularly. If you notice any issues, treat them promptly with appropriate methods. What pests have you encountered with your bonsai, and how did you handle them? Sign number 5. Lack of new growth or wilting. If your bonsai isn't showing new growth or appears wilted, it might be lacking essential nutrients or proper care. Ensure you're providing adequate light, appropriate fertilization, and maintaining suitable humidity levels. Adjusting these factors can stimulate new growth and revitalize your tree. Now that you're equipped with these vital signs and solutions, keep a close eye on your bonsai's health. Which of these signs have you noticed in your tree? Drop a comment below, and let's support each other in our bonsai journeys. Before you go, check out my other videos for more beginner bonsai tips, pruning techniques, and seasonal care. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join our growing bonsai community. Thanks for watching. Happy bonsai nurturing!